Hey guys, in this video we're going to be finding the square feet of landscaping. So a patio is being landscaped with trees and shrubs. How many square feet of landscaping will be around the patio? Explain your thinking in complete sentences and using the values in the problem. Now, it says how many square feet of landscaping will be around the patio. What that is saying is, what is this area plus this area? So that's the area of the landscaping. Now, that's a tricky question. So that's the first thing, is we need to realize we're finding two areas and adding them up. Now, the next thing we need to think is, how are we going to find the areas of each of these landscaping areas? Well, the way that I see it is, I see the landscaping, and I'll write this times 2 because there's two of them, right, with the same dimensions. I noticed that. I actually view that as a whole rectangle minus that little part. So the way that I'm going to go about this is, first I'm going to find the entire area, and then I'm going to subtract out that little area of the patio. So that's going to be my strategy here, and you might have done this differently. So first let's find the area of the large rectangle. So for that, I'm going to need our base and our height, and we know our formula here is base times height. So for large rectangle, I'm going to say my base is, I'll call it 14 feet, and my height is 8 feet. Notice I'm using the whole numbers here because I'm looking for the total area, including the patio there. So I have 8 times 14. I'm going to plug that into my calculator, and I get that the area of the large rectangle, is 112 square feet. Now, like I said, I now need to subtract out that patio area. So now I'm going to find the area of, I'm going to just make a small rectangle. And so my small rectangle, my base and my height of this. Okay, so I'm not given that, but I can find that out. So if I know that this side here is 8 and this side needs to be 8 too, and I have 3 up there, then I know that my side here is going to be 5. So I know that we can call that our height, is going to be 5 feet, right? We add up that 3 and that 5, it's got to give us our 8. And then we can think the same thing of our base here, so the longer side. If I'm 3 feet of it's outside, how much of it is inside? It's going to be 11 feet are inside. So I can plug those values in. Base times height, I have 11 times 5, and that gives me that the area of the little rectangle is 55 square feet. Now, like I said, in order to find our L shape here, I'm going to have to take that 112 and subtract out our 55. So that's going to give you that L-shaped area, the landscape, just the landscape, and that's going to give you an area of 57 square feet. So that's the area of landscape. All right, now we're almost there, because we have one landscape area up here, and I'll write that our area here is 57 square feet. But we also have a mimic of it, or the same thing going on here. So we have one up top and one on the bottom. So I'm going to take that the area total of landscaping, it's not just our top one, but it's also our bottom one. It's going to be 57 times 2. And it's going to be 114 square feet. Okay, so now I just need to write out an answer sentence and maybe explain my thinking. So I'll just jot it here that total area landscaping is 114 square feet for our how we can explain it. I'll continue up here because I've kind of run out of room, but I'm just gonna say I found the two larger rectangles, subtracted out the middle. And then once you found the area of one, I multiplied it by 2 so that I could get both landscaping areas. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.